Arthur Schopenhauer was a 19th century German philosopher with a rather gloomy worldview. Schopenhauer's pessimism towards the human condition can be summarized in one of his rather more infamous quotes. Life swings like a pendulum, backward and forward, between pain and boredom. Why did he believe this to be the case? Schopenhauer observed that, as organic beings, our existence is dependent on a ceaseless will to live, as we must constantly consume other matter in order to sustain ourselves, and at a broader level, constantly seek sexual partners in order to sustain the species. In fact, Schopenhauer thought the world itself, outside of mental representation, was equivalent to this very same will, but his broader metaphysical claims are not relevant here. What is relevant is that this will to live manifests itself as certain desires within ourselves, which we seek to satisfy. While we are in the process of trying to satisfy them, we are not yet happy, since satisfaction can only happen once the process is over. Until then, we are involved in a painful struggle to reach our goal of satisfaction. Furthermore, in the midst of this struggle, we begin to reminisce about desires we once fulfilled and are pained to compare them to the struggles we currently face. Yet, when we finally satisfy our desires, we are left in a state of boredom and ennui, leading to new desires to bubble up within us. Thus, we painfully pursue new desires until we are bored once more, and the cycle repeats itself. For Schopenhauer, happiness is a negative state of being, defined by the absence of suffering. If life is defined by the cycling between pain and boredom itself is painful, then life is chiefly characterized by suffering. If life is characterized by suffering, then it necessarily precludes the possibility of happiness.